You've landed on the Moon Show, and today I'm going to show you how to make money passively without sweating all too much, because trading requires attention. But on Phemex there are these trading bots that automate smarter, faster and more profitable trades. And of course I'm also going to show you some Phemex trading bot campaigns that you don't want to miss. Before we begin, of course, subscribe to this channel, The Moon Show, very important. And if you do have an account on Phemex, then good job. But if you don't, link down below to Phemex. And if you join right now, you can earn up to 100 USDT for your first bot and share in a 260,000 USDT grand prize if you sign up with my link down below right now. When you create your first bot, you will get a 100 USDT reward and a 100% loss protection with a minimum investment of 50 USDT. So if you participate here, in this bot operation challenge and complete several tasks, you can get your share of also the 10,000 USDT reward, also a bigger 50,000 reward by participating in its trading bot volume sprint. You can increase your share from the prize by trading more bots and increasing your cumulative trading volume. Also, you can invite up to 10 friends to the platform who register and complete their first bot trade of 100 USDT or more to get a 50 USDT reward per friend. Phemex is a leading centralized cryptocurrency exchange serving millions of users in over 200 countries. The platform offers more than 500 cryptocurrencies for buying, selling, and trading. You can use its advanced trading bots to trade digital assets without being worried about monitoring everything yourself. These bots are available on the platform across both spot and futures markets and help you automate your trading strategies. You simply need to pick a trading bot, define its parameters, and let it trade on your behalf. But before I show you Phemex trading bots and how to use them, it is crucial that you understand what trading bots are and the value they bring. So, what are trading bots? Trading bots are automated software programs that execute trades on your behalf based on predefined rules and strategies. They analyze market data such as price movements, indicators, or market conditions and place trades automatically when specific criteria are met. Trading bots can operate continuously, monitor multiple markets simultaneously, and react to changes faster, which can be difficult when trading manually. Trading bots support a wide range of trading styles, allowing you to choose strategies that match your goals, experience, and market conditions. If you are using grid trading, grid bots can place buy and sell orders at predefined price intervals to capture price fluctuations. Likewise, if you are using the dollar cost averaging bot, it spreads entries over time to manage positions during volatile markets. You can also use bots for trend following strategies where trades are executed based on indicators such as moving averages, and for arbitrage, which seeks to exploit price differences across markets or trading pairs. Also, some bots support scalping, executing frequent small trades to capture short-term price movements, while others are designed for longer-term strategies, managing positions over days or weeks. Trading bots add value by automating parts of trading. Without bots, you might find it challenging to monitor multiple trading pairs at the same time, react quickly to price changes, or execute trades at precise entry and exit levels. Also, it can be difficult for you to stay consistent as emotions like fear, greed, FOMO, or panic can influence decisions and lead to mistakes. By following predefined rules and strategies, trading bots operate without emotion and can run continuously, helping you maintain discipline and a more structured approach over time. Now, Phemex trading bots buy and sell cryptocurrency on your behalf by executing predetermined automated trading strategies. The platform offers 6 trading bots: Futures Grid, Futures DCA Martingale, Spot Grid, Spot DCA Martingale, Signal Trading, and Funding Rate Arbitrage. These trading bots are designed to perform across ranging trending and arbitrage market conditions. They eliminate human emotion and manual errors and automate trade execution to optimize market timing. You can access all these bots on Phemex for free with no additional subscription or usage fees. However, Standard trading fees apply to bot-executed transactions, which may vary depending on your VIP tier. Phemex trading bots offer a range of benefits by automating trading across spot and futures grids, signal trading, and funding arbitrage, allowing them to respond to market movements in real time and reduce execution delays. DCA and martingale bots automatically add positions during drawdowns to average entry costs and manage exposure, while automated execution increases arbitrage frequency and improves fund allocation across different market conditions. Within the Phemex bot ecosystem, creators can set fixed profit sharing rates of 10, 20, or 30%, enabling users to follow professional bots and earn passive income. By running continuously without constant monitoring, these trading bots are accessible to both beginners and experienced traders while systematically capturing trading opportunities. Now that you know what Phemex trading bots are and the advantages they offer, let me show you how to use them. But before that, click on my top link in the description and create your Phemex account. Participate in the Phemex Trading Bot Carnival and earn exciting rewards. To use Phemex trading bots, first you need to sign up on the platform, which is a simple process and just takes a few minutes. All you need to do is head to the Phemex official website and click on the Sign Up tab. Phemex allows you to sign up by using your email address and Google, Apple, Telegram, or X IDs. Just create a strong password, agree to the privacy policy, and start using the platform. The next step is to complete KYC. For this, go to the profile icon in the menu bar and click Verification. Phemex offers two KYC levels, Basic and Advanced. You need to provide your personal details, the necessary documents, and complete the facial verification to complete the procedure. After this, you need to make a deposit. All you need to do is head to the Deposit tab on the homepage and click Deposit Crypto. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, choose the deposit network, and copy the deposit address. After this, paste the deposit address into the wallet from which you want to make the transfer, then confirm it. You can also buy crypto on Phemex using your debit or credit cards. Once the funds are in your account, you can start using trading bots on the platform. Now I will show you how to set up a trading bot. Go to either the spot or futures tabs in the menu bar, select trading bots, and it will take you to this page. Here, you can see the available trading bots and select them based on market conditions, such as bullish, bearish, or sideways. Scroll down and you can see the bot marketplace where you can easily copy a trading bot from different categories. Select a trading bot and click Create. Enter the investment amount and click Create Bot to start using it. To create your own trading bot, go back to the trading bot page and select the trading bot you want to use. If you want to trade crypto based on the current market price, you can select the spot grid bot. On the other hand, if you want to leverage crypto using a trading bot, you can select the futures grid bot. The choice depends on you. Once you select a bot, such as the futures grid bot, it will take you to the corresponding interface. Click here and select the trading pair, such as BTC/USDT. Choose a trading bot mode from recommended or manual. The recommended mode uses platform preset parameters. Click on Create. Simply enter the investment amount and set the leverage. Review the details and click Create Bot. To manually create the bot, click on Manual. Select the order direction from neutral, long, or short. Set the price range by entering the lowest and highest prices. After this, enter the number of grids. Enter the investment amount. Click here and set your preferred leverage. Remember, trading with a higher leverage poses a greater risk of liquidation, so always be careful when selecting leverage. You can use advanced settings to set take profit and stop loss prices for better control of your position. Review the bot information and click Create Bot. Once confirmed, the system will execute trades automatically. To monitor and manage the bot, enable trading bot mode on the trading page. Scroll down to the active trading bots section. Click Details to review performance, positions, grid orders, and trade history. Now that you know about trading bots, the advantages they bring, and how to use them on Phemex, don't forget to click on my top link in the description to create your Phemex account. With my link, you can participate in the Phemex Trading Bot Carnival and earn exciting rewards. The more you use bots, the better your rewards will be. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen this video, which is popping up right there, you can click it right now. Leave a thumbs up. See you over there. Bye-bye.